you! And my birthday cake! I'll have a slice! Yay! Happy birthday! Uh-oh! Huh? Ah! She died? What do we do? What? We have to do something! Opila is clearly dead! Here are your orders! Bon appetit! Oh! Food! Finally! What should we do? What? Our persons of interest! One of them is the murderer! I love it! I do too! Same! So, clear the table! Let's start the interrogation! You! No! You go! Me? I want to know what you were doing on the day of the murder! Okay, I'll give you the truth! This is what my day was actually like! I didn't hear all my alarms going off! I had a burger for breakfast! Chased it with soda! Next, I called Opila! She hung up on me! What? The audacity of it all! We're not friends anymore! What a nightmare! I went through a pile of trash to pick a gift! Let's see if there's anything nice! Cage it is! She's a bird after all! That's exactly what happened! Shame on you! Okay, you're not lying! You are in the clear! What a relief! Off you go! Thanks! Oops! Guys! Help! I guess I'm stuck! Come off! Almost there! I owe you one! Pigster! Take a seat! You're next! Me? Sure! This is what actually happened! I woke up in a flawless condo! Took a shower, brushed my teeth, sprayed on my favorite perfume, cooked a delicious breakfast. Oh, and I put on my favorite music for better digestion. It's paradise! Then I made a terrific birthday cake. Opila took it. Thanks, Pigster. Bye. You poisoned the cake! No! Guilty! Don't jump to conclusions! Opila had another cake! For the love of the detector! You are not lying! Fine! You're innocent! Sorry, Pigster! My name has been cleared! Milady, please take a seat! I'll give you the truth! I put a cardboard dummy and a recording instead of me in class! I just napped under the desk! I had wonderful dreams! While checking the test, I spilled coffee on them by accident! Ew! Can't save the papers anymore! This is bad! What? Are these our tests? You ruined them! How dare you give me attitude, chicken! A motive! Guilty! We hate to hear it, but it's true! Arrest her! Please don't! This is the end! I apologize to Opila. We kissed and made up! That's nice! Not guilty! Sorry! If it wasn't Banbalina, not Celine, nor Pigster, that leaves us with you! Spit it out! Go! I'll get things straight. Wasn't really like that. You guys? I'm here! Hello? Nobody in college would give me attention. Banbalina spilled coffee on me. Can you get out of my way? Hold on. Dang it! What happened next? Fine. Afterwards, I popped by Banbalina's office. She was still napping under the desk. I covered her up with a blanket. Cutie! A dance? We're a great couple! Love is my only crime! Aww! A note? Who is it? I love you! Nab-Nab! Nab-Nab? Want to go on a date? It's been a long time coming. What do you mean? This is not meant for you. Oh, it just fell accidentally. I'll pick it up. My first love. Oh, Bouncelia! Stop! Hold this. Uh-oh. Oh, he's so sensitive! A dumbbell attacked me! A minute! Oh, look! It's not that heavy! What? Ugh, you red demon! Watch out! Fitness room! That's what I need! Oh, Nab-Nab! Where are you going? Here is the bride! Pay to witness the joining of two hearts! Bride and groom, you can exchange rings! Oh, holy creep! Oh my! What was that? It was me! Oh! What? You killed the priest? What's going on? Ouch! Ah! The bride is mine! You'll be mine no matter what! Let go of me! Nab-Nab, I'm here! My love, where did you go? Banban, wake up! CPR! Thanks, I'm good! I feel better! Are you okay? Help, please! Holy Father! What happened? Nab took her! Nab-Nab, you are my favorite! Do you have anything on Nab-Nab? Oh, I have been itching to tell you! Here's his case! Favorite color is blue. Favorite food? All food. Favorite girl? Me. Favorite song? Baby Shark. Favorite game? Rainbow Friend. Favorite channel? Woohoo! Favorite dog? A cat. Place of residence is unknown. So, do I look good as a bride? Enough of it! This is Bouncealia's veil! Wait a second! I picked up the scent! Come! Hey! Put me back, you blue monster! Slippers? Nope. A sweet kiss, my love. Kiss yourself. Huh? You can't reach me. Knock, knock. Enjoy fruit. Ouch! Ah! God, women are unbearable. Where are we? What is this place? Knock, knock. Who is it? I knock. Ah, I see. What's here? Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Hey, you. Wait, what? Oh, Nab-Nab, I'm mad about you. I'll be your wife. No, this is bad. My worst nightmare. I can't watch it. What do I do? Banban, you've been in there. I forgot I don't have a watch. The door. What's that? Lunchtime! A soft-boiled egg! Oh, num num! What? It looks a lot like my egg! Yeah! Bride abductor! Dang it! He slipped away! Opila? Ah! Banban! You're here! Thanks for saving me! It's okay. There's something. Let me fix it. Ouch! My eye! Ah! Sorry! sorry. It wasn't intentional. Okay, keep going. What is this place? I'll go search there. Oh, a free mic. 1, 2, 3. My love is gone. Singing is not your strong suit. What's behind the counter? She's not here. Uh-oh, there are guests. Oh, no, no, no! Don't touch me! Lunch! Ah! Defend yourself! What about a banana? It tastes better than me! Want some? Ah! My love is a great power! My love is like a flower! Ouch! 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 Ah, la, 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 la. System failure! Wrong nose! Great song! Hurry up! We're out of here! System failure! Listen up! It's a fork! It's a knife! This is what you eat like! A tiny piece! Gosh! No need to shove the whole thing down your throat! Knife and fork! Please! And chew! Nice job! Oh! An extra piece!
Ooh.
Huh? Auxilia! You! Auxilia! Come run with me! You're not having tea? 1 cup, please. Okay, I'll budge. Fine. My deadly weapon! Not a dumbbell! What do you think of Nab Nab's condo? It's cute! Okay, Blue! Stomach punch! Oh, cute! My bad! Bouncilia, will you marry me again? Hold it! Ugh, I feel sick! Nab Nab? You messed things up again! What? My love! Here she is! Opila! Will you marry me? Marry what? Huh? Me? Yes! Of course, I will! It's a yes! Yes, yes, yes! Look, you guys! I'm getting married! Are you okay? I'm here! Yeah, I'm fine! I'm a strong guy! Oh! Would you look at them! I now pronounce you husband and wife! Make some noise! Congratulations! You'll get married too! Yeah! Thank you, guys! Oh no! I'm in labor! Call an ambulance right now! She's giving birth! Breathe, Opila! I'm here! You'll be fine! Congratulations to Opila Bird, who laid the biggest eggs this show has ever seen! Things like that happen once in a lifetime! Get over with filming! Opila needs a break! She just became a mom! No, these are dream eggs! No more mini ones! I'll get my hands on the eggs! I swear to God! I didn't put on weight after giving birth! Nobody move! Police! What's going on? I wish I knew! Opila, you are under arrest for theft! That's baloney! I didn't steal anything! Here's proof! Opila robbed a movie ticket office! That's a lie! I was framed! The popcorn on your chin is kinda sketchy! How dare you resist arrest? Don't lock me up! I'm innocent! Opilia's under arrest! You arrested yourself! Hush, you! We're good! Welcome to jail, Birdie! Get used to your new home! Huh? Hey! What's that pic? Where is it? What? I mixed it up. Where are the eggs? I need them. No! Here's your nest. I need eggs. Gosh, what's wrong with the door? Unlock it. What's the matter? What? A frying pan? Fair point. It's too small. I need a bigger one. Birdie, I'm looking forward to it. That's it. Bon appetit to me. Where are the eggs? Why is it empty? Loser! That's mean. You are gonna change your tune. Chicken legs. My brothers! Birdie, you could use some time outside. Don't you dare stir the pot. Oops. I'm a bird after all. I can fly. Adios, amigos. No! Stop! Knock it off! Yeah! Higher and higher! Oh no! Haha! Fuel's tapped out! Game over, you crow! This is mine! Crawl to the cell! So where's the prison? Oh, I believe I found it! Oh my! Banban? My birdie! A moment! Huh? Is it that easy? Opila, you see that? You can get out just like me! Yeah! Hey, it's not working! Go sideways! Ouch! My beak! Yikes! I didn't think it all the way through! Luckily, I came up with something else!
Oops.
Who's behind this? Oh, no! My mustache! It could use some grooming. There! My stash is my jewel. Holy Eggman! And just like that, we met! Hey, buddy! Come out! You're free! Gracias! Would you accept maracas as a gift? No! I need something else! Thanks a bunch, man! Hush, babies! Phew! This babysitter is dying for a break! Oh! What's this smell? Someone stinks! Oh! Holy Garten! Someone pooped their shell! Changing diapers is the worst thing ever! Phew! It'll be dry and clean before you know it! What is this? You are gonna wake the babies! My bad! What is this? Are you diaper? Are you crazy? I ought to put it on your head! Oh, a file! It's a godsend! From Banban to Opila. Oh, that's adorable! Jeez! Who gave him all these bites? That's my cup for delivery! Hey! The cake is mine! Banban! Thanks! What is this? Oh! A file! I get it! Ow! My eye! Whoa! I spy with my little eye a jailbreak attempt! I'm taking the matter in my own hands! I just gotta pick a perfect pose to catch her red-handed! Hey, Birdie! What are you doing here? Huh?
Hey!
I want my file back! Oh! A vent! This is my way out! Oh no! I'm stuck! Uh-oh! Hey you! Banban! Oh my! Hi! Princess! Goodness gracious! Someone's very tasty! Honey bun! Lunch showed up unannounced! Uh-oh! You should turn around! Ah! Please! Anyone but him! Ah! Hi, baby! Where is everyone? Let's play hide and seek! I pick this! Phew! I can handle it! What's going on? Oh yeah! My weapon! Fly to me! I got you! Ouch! Look out, losers! Uh-oh! Target change! Nice job! I slayed it! No one? I got played! Dang it! There's a silver lining! I can have a snack! Oh! Opila bird egg! Let's see! What do I go for? I'll cook egg! Excuse me, could you please… Ah! Where am I? Garbage is everywhere! Ah! It's Nab-Nab's stomach! Let me out! Shut up! Ah! Ah! Ew! That stinks! What? Hang on! Did you brush your teeth today? You should brush them thoroughly so you don't get cavities. There! Oh! Hey, bestie! I'm thrilled you stopped by. It's very cold. We should start a big fire. Huh? So there were matches here all along? Nab-Nab is about to get hot. Oh, feels warm and nice. What box should I have next? Uh-oh. What's going on? Ah! Help! I have a fever! How do I put out a fire? Gas or water? What is it? If you ask me, water's the way to go.
Yes. Aha!
Stick to the buoys! Phew! The fire is out! Going back to hide and seek! What should I go with? An anvil! Nice! Where is it? When do I get the delivery? Ah! What's there? Haha! Serves you right! Shoo! Ugh! The stuff flying around here! What's there? Just seeing things. Stop! No! Ah! Run! We are out of here! We leveled up! Well. What do I go with now? Dynamite is always a good idea. We're gonna make some noise. Done. Nah, I should stay away.
Hey!
Who do you think you are? I want to enjoy my bathroom time.
Take your seats, dear guests. There is only one chair, though. Here's a present. Is this for me? Whoa, what's there? Mama Longlegs Mia. A gumball? It has chewing gum from every single spot in town. Hold on. Now it's every single. Here comes my gift, Daddy. You'll love it. Uh-huh. Thanks. Happy birthday, Daddy.
A birthday? And I don't have a gift.
I mean, I had this ball at college. Gum prices these days are crazy. Move.
Get up, Banban. This is my spot. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Ooh, the gift is huge. What's there? A golden egg. Wow, officially the best gift ever. I'll place it so everyone can see. What the? Oh, Daddy, I just wanted to ask you to join the table. Hurry up. Well, you guys, it's chew time. Fresh gum for everyone. Yum yum. Opila, dig in.
I'm good. I'm on a special diet.
What? I don't think she knows where these fried legs come from. Okay, bon appetit, you guys. Huggy, did you watch the last Huggy Ball game? Oops, my apologies. Cheers to my health. Yay! Happy birthday to me!
Happy birthday!
You guys, I need a sec. This is a work call. Gotta take it. Oops, the gum is stuck. I feel sick. That way.
I'm cold. I'll go get my fur coat.
I mean, you were wearing a fur coat. Everyone's gone? Am I alone? Who cares? I'll eat all gum myself. Huh? Something happened.
Ah! Hey!
What happened?
Are you okay?
My stomach hurts. My egg. It was stolen. Who's behind it? She is.
No, it's him.
Stop! I'll crack this case. Otherwise, I wouldn't be the best detective in Poppy Playtime. I'll figure out which one of you stole my precious golden egg. Before I do that, I'll shut the doors so no one will escape. You stole my egg. No, it wasn't me. All signs point to you. No. Drop the act, Opila. Justice will be done. Don't worry. Well, this is how it all went down. We were celebrating my birthday when out of nowhere, "Happy birthday, Daddy! Happy birthday, Daddy!" Well. The clock strikes 3:05 and Huggy is off to have a phone call. You faked feeling sick to take advantage of our kindness. You left the room. I'll write it down. Let's keep following you. You didn't expect to run into Huggy. And yet you went into the room. Afterwards, your villain nature came out. You grabbed the egg. You hid it in a pillow. I mean, obviously. Where else? Perfect crime. Phew, Daddy, no peeking. It was a piece of cake.